Tervetuloa and welcome to Learn Finnish with me, where we learn Finnish in fun and easy way. Today we are learn some Finnish word for family members. Let's go through each word slowly. Let's start with the basic. Perhe, family. Äiti is mother. Tytär is daughter. Poika is son. Isä is father. Veli is brother. Sisko is sister. Isoäiti is grandmother. Isoisä is grandfather. Lapsenlapsi is grandchild. Setä or eno is uncle. Tati is aunt. Serku is cousin. Äitipuoli is stepmother. Isäpuoli is stepfather. Vavu is son-in-law. Minia is daughter-in-law. Papa is grandpa. Mummi is grandma. Papa and isoisä means the same thing, but papa is just informal and more common way to speak, something with mummi and isoäiti. In Finnish, there are actually two words for uncle, depending on which side of the family he is from. The word setä is used for your father's brother. So if you are talking about your dad's brother, you will call him setä. The word eno is for your mother's brother. So if you are talking about your mom's brother, you will call him eno. It is interesting, right? Finnish has separate word for uncle from each side of the family, which helps make it clear exactly who you are talking about. Let's repeat it one more time. Äiti, tytär, poika, isä, veli, sisko, isoäiti, isoisä, lapsenlapsi, setä or eno, taati, serkku, äitipuoli, isäpuoli, vavu, minia, pappa, mummi. Thank you for being here with me today. Remember, no matter where we come from or what language we speak, family is something that connects us all. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and enjoy your time with your family. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more language tips. Kiitos kun katsoit, heippa!